Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 18th, 2022. We're going to talk about Polygon, MATIC, and if a significant move is coming. Now, you might think that significant move may be to the upside. Let me tell you, that might not be the case. We're going to look at the price chart, though, and try to figure out where the market is trying to go for MATIC. So welcome, everyone, to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I want us to be predictors of the cryptocurrency space, and you do that by simply looking at the price chart. So to those who are new to my content, we all appreciate how someone is here giving you their ideas to where prices is going to go amidst all of this uncertainty. Make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to my channel. If you enjoy the content, tap that bell notification as well, because I want to make sure that you are one of the first ones to get my videos as to where we're looking for the price to go. Now, I keep it real here too. Right? I'm not here to give you no fluff, no FUD, no FOMO and tell you everything's going to moon and everyone's going to be filthy rich. No, I'm a realist. I play the upside as well as I play the downside. And to show you the real, I did a video in MATIC on May the 23rd, 2022. And I was playing the strength into the market. Yes, I was. I was looking for the price in MATIC to go up, and that did not happen. So yes, I was wrong. Wait, hold on. Where do you hear that at on the YouTube? People don't come through and show you when they are wrong or incorrect in their presumptions as to where price is going to go. I told you, you guys came to a right spot because I keep it real. Because I understand that you're not going to get every prediction correct. But the ones that you don't get right, you still need to learn from the situation. So let me break this down and show you at what point will we have known to say it doesn't look like MATIC is going to go up anymore. We might need to cut the play and let the market fall. Let me show you, because let's give the market credit. We were already in position to play the strength into the market in MATIC. And look at all of these trading days right here. Like, I want to show you how you can tell whether or not you are correct in your prediction. Now, we were correct in our original analysis. How do I know that? Let me show you. I wanted to show you, look at all of these trading days right here. Look at all these trading days, right? This signifies that the market in MATIC wanted to go up. The buyers into the market in MATIC tried to bring price higher. If that wasn't the case, the market would not have traded sideways for so many days. So we were correct in our presumption of looking for MATIC to go up. They just did not have enough momentum or energy to break up into our price target area. The market buyers in MATIC right here was able to keep price elevated for a while. Like, it's showing you that they're trying to push price up. All of these trading days, this is real money being disposed of, people trying to buy this currency. All of these trading days of everyone buying and selling, the market did not break below this horizontal line, which I've created, which is around 58 cents. We were correct in our idea. They just couldn't do it. And when you understand that market cannot do it, then you need to let the play go. There's nothing wrong with letting the plays go. There's no emotions involved in this. We're simply here to expend some funding to bring back more. That's it. And once we saw the market in MATIC, okay, let's talk about this. Once we saw the market in MATIC, right? Namely right here. This is the issue. The one that the arrow is pointing down to. This is the issue right here. Now, let me show you why it's a problem for those looking for the market in MATIC to go up. Now, the chart tells us everything we need to know. We don't need to know anything else. The money is where the truth is. So here it is, May the 31st. Look at this. You guys can see how small that spread is, right? Right here that the arrow is pointing down to. But look at all that volume that came into the market in MATIC. That's an indication. That's a clue to tell us that somebody massively sold their MATIC in the market right here. That was the start of it. This was the start right there. The answers are here for us to know. How do I know that they were selling on that day? Because you look at the next day. You got a very wide spread and the market went down on the same amount of volume. Look at that. But that doesn't mean that you should cut the play yet. Why do I say that? because the buyers still wanted to keep price elevated in MATIC on the following day, on the 2nd of June. So the market wasn't that weak. Whoever sold right here on the 31st of May and then on June the 1st, there was enough interest or demand from the market buyers that price didn't fall below 57 cents, 56 cents. Okay, you see that, right? But then you move on past a couple of days and then you run up to June the 6th. You see the market here on June the 6th on high volume again. We haven't seen this much volume on June the 6th until we got on that last down day on June the 1st. So somebody else, probably the same individual that sold on May 31st and June the 1st, came back into the market again on June the 6th and sold more MATIC in the market. Take a look. The volume is now back. The market closed off of the highs on June the 6th. And then following June the 6th, look on the 7th, the market still went down. Wow. So it was a great battle between whoever was selling and whoever was buying. Because even following June the 7th, price in MATIC still didn't fall. You see that, right? It still maintained its elevation. The price did not fall in MATIC. It still stayed elevated above 57 cents. So we would not have gotten out the market yet. We would not have gotten out. But we are a little bit more attentive to say, yeah, there's definitely somebody here in MATIC that is selling around 65, 70 cents. That's definitely going on. Then you get to this day, June the 10th. This is the third time of us really noticing that selling is coming to the market in MATIC. And it's coming in right here at the highs. Let me show you, because I really want to show you all how this game is being played. And it's not hard. You just have to simply digest what the market is displaying, right? So right here on the high of June the 10th, okay? Let me extend this to the left. And you all can see at the same point, right here on June the 6th, where I told you that there was selling going on there. And even here on May the 31st, like these are the highs that the selling is coming in right here, and then again here. These are 3 days that the market was selling. Whoever sold on these 3 days, they did not let price in MATIC go up. That was the third time the charm. Now look at the result. Look at where price in MATIC is right now, right? This is when we should have gotten out the market, or at least the next day on June the 11th. Now that would bring us to a loss of about 21.25%, which is cool, right? We give the market credit. They try to take price higher, but whoever was in a selling position right there around 70, 65 cents restricted the upward move in MATIC. It goes that way. It goes that way, which is why I give you all exit points to where the market is not going the way that you expected it to go. 21.25% versus getting out now, which is around 49.25. Now, it didn't happen. Okay, cool. But now the question is, what can we expect now? Because whoever came into the market and sold on those 3 days that the arrows is pointed down to, they knew that the price in MATIC was going to fall. That's why they were selling every time the price went up towards 65 cents. Because they knew what to expect today. So now you guys can see that as I zoom out this chart, price in MATIC is trying to go lower. Okay, cool. Do you see where? I do. Right here, around 30 cents. Okay. So 30 cents. Why do I say 30 cents? Well, look at this. We've seen the market in MATIC hold this level multiple times. Like I said earlier, price bars give us all the information we need. Support came into the market in MATIC around 30 cents. So that's going to be my first price target. Like, I'm not going to be crazy. I don't want everyone else to be oblivious to where the market buyers are at. They're also here. So they might get a small bounce into the market in MATIC right there around 35 cents or 34. But let's pay attention. That's the first area. So I've already identified where we can find the market in MATIC rundown towards. Now, outside of this, there's no surefire area of support right here, right? The market hasn't traded sideways. It broke out. It went into a massive upward trend here. So if we do not maintain MATIC's price at 30 cents, we may see a massive fall to the downside, right? So let me go back and put this on a chart. Okay. Because I'm going to play 30 cents first for us to see price go down. Okay, so I said what, 30 cents? So let's run this through. Bring this in closer. So we got 30 cents first, okay? 30 cents. Now, we're going to continue to be weak into the market in MATIC, especially in the long term. Let me show you all the 2-weekly chart. I'm showing you all this because we got 1 day and 5 hours left. And if the market looks the way that it looks on this 2-weekly chart, yeah, we're not even going to hold 30 cents. I wouldn't even be expecting the price to hold 30 cents in the market in MATIC. That weakness would be geared towards to 25 cents next. So let me bring my second price target down to 25. Okay. Now looking how weak the market is in MATIC right now, 25 cents may even bring price down to 20 or 19 cents or give or take. That's scary for a lot of people because many people have bought MATIC well above that price, well above 30 cents. And for us to still see this massive weakness come through, just got to be prepared for it. All right, so you guys can see it. My first price target is 30, 25, and then 20. Okay, we're going to continue to look for MATIC to go down. We might get a bounce. I mean, because we've seen the market fall on June the 10th to where we are today, 47%. So yeah, we do need to see the market in MATIC give us a little more bounce, come up higher, continue to trend lower. Might get another move higher all the way up here towards 45 cents, but then eventually break all the way back down. It just seems like we haven't found the bottom yet. All right, so I'm here. I want you all to tell me though, what do you think about MATIC? Where do you think the price is going to go? Because the charts don't lie. I don't care what anyone says. The chart is not lying to us. It tells us what everyone else is doing. So just pay attention to what everyone else is doing and not by what they're saying. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.